Hey, what's up guys, it's EATVR here and we are doing an overview of the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. So, let's get to it. Okay, so speaking of the OnePlus 8 and the 8 Pro, it's a slim sleek design with the screens curving down to both sides of the phone and features an in-display fingerprint sensor which allows you to unlock your phone right on the screen display of your phone. They both come with RAM size of 8GB and 12GB with a storage capacity of 128GB and 256GB. Now, coming down specifically to the OnePlus 8, it comes with a screen size of 6.55 inches and a 90Hz fluid display. Moving on to the cameras, at the left side we have three cameras, which the main camera is the 48 megapixel, a macro lens of 2 megapixel, and an ultra wide angle lens of 16 megapixel. And a front-facing camera of 16 megapixel. Okay, moving on to the colors of the OnePlus 8, we have the glacial green, interstellar glow, which is basically like a reflective surface that bounces so many colors on the phone. Just like Samsung released their aura glow in their Note 10. And the final one is the onyx black. The OnePlus 8 comes with a battery capacity of 4,100 mAh and a price tag of $699 up to $799. Now moving on to the OnePlus 8 Pro. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with a screen size of 6.78 inches and a 120Hz fluid display. Moving on to the camera of the OnePlus 8 Pro, we have four cameras at the rear, of which the main camera is a 48 megapixel and a telephoto lens of 8 megapixel with an ultra wide angle lens of 48 megapixel as well, and a color filter of 5 megapixel and a front facing camera of 16 megapixel. So coming down to the colors of the OnePlus 8 Pro, we have the glacial green like we have in the OnePlus 8, and we have the ultramarine blue, just like my dress, and also the onyx black like we have in the OnePlus 8 as well. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes with a battery capacity of 4,510 mAh and a price tag of $899 up to $999. So speaking of the OnePlus 8 Pro, also it now comes with a wireless charging capability and also a reverse wireless charging feature. So speaking of the reverse wireless charging, it allows you to charge other devices like any wireless watch or any other wireless phone. So all you have to do is turn the phone upside down and charge the other device. This feature was first brought by the Samsung in the Samsung Note 10. The OnePlus 8 Pro is now falling in the category of a flagship device, which breaks up all this massive specs in camera and also wireless charging with an IP68 water and dust resistance. So basically now the OnePlus 8 is now a flagship phone, all with this massive price tag you see over here. That's $899 to $999. Comparing the OnePlus 8 series to the last year OnePlus 7 series, looking at the display of the phone or looking at the screen of the phone, the OnePlus 7 came with basically no front-facing camera on the screen, whilst now you can see on the OnePlus 8 a front-facing camera on the screen of the phone. So what the OnePlus 7 was all about was fanciness, and what they did was to make a motorized camera for the OnePlus 7, for which the camera is right in the phone, and when you want to take a selfie or you want to unlock your phone, all you to do is automatically pops up when you want to use the camera. Whilst now on the OnePlus 8 we have a cutout portion dedicated for the front facing camera right on the screen of the phone. So basically this is all about the overview of the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. Thank you very much guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video.